Welcome back to GMX Auto. If you're hunting for a compact SUV that punches way above its weight without emptying your wallet, stop everything. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid just redefined what insane value looks like. We're talking turbo power, top-notch efficiency, and features that rival pricier options, all starting under 33 grand. This year's model keeps the momentum from last year's refresh with a new entry-level blue SE trim that drops the price even lower, plus over-the-air updates for the infotainment to keep things fresh without a dealership visit. It's the smart pick for anyone wanting hybrid smarts without compromise. From the outside, the Tucson Hybrid commands attention with its aggressive front grille that stretches wide, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern edge. The stance sits planted and athletic on 17 to 19-inch alloys, and those sculpted lines along the sides lead to taillights that wrap around like they're hugging the rear. I love the new color options. Think ultimate red or cyber gray metallic. They make it pop whether you're parking in the city or hitting the open road. It's got that bold presence without screaming for attention. Slide into the cabin, and it's all about making daily drives feel premium. The seats wrap you in soft, supportive leather on higher trims, with heating standard from SEL up and ventilation for those hot days. Rear passengers stretch out with generous legroom that beats most in this class, and the cargo area swallows 38 cubic feet behind the seats, expanded to 80 for weekend hauls. Tech-wise, the 12.3-inch touchscreen runs everything smoothly, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto right out of the box, plus USB-C ports everywhere. Upper models add a Bose sound system and a heads-up display that projects speed and nav right onto the windshield. Convenience shines with a power liftgate and wireless charging pad, small touches that add up big. Power comes from a 1.6-liter turbo paired with an electric motor, cranking out 231 horses and 271 pounds of twist. It surges ahead with zero drama, hitting 60 in about 7 seconds, and the 6-speed automatic shifts crisp while standard all-wheel drive grips through rain or light snow. Fuel sipping stays at 37 city, 36 highway. Real-world wins for your gas budget. The ride absorbs bumps like a champ, keeping things quiet and composed on highways with steering that's direct enough for twisty back roads. Safety gets the full Hyundai treatment with standard forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and blind spot alerts that work reliably. The new highway driving assist adds semi-autonomous lane centering for easier long hauls, and remote parking assist on top trims lets you summon it from tight spots via your key fob. It earned 5 stars from NHTSA last year, and expect the same here. Compared to the Honda CR-V Hybrid, it offers quicker pep and more standard tech. The Toyota RAV4 can't match the acceleration or rear space at this price. From prior years, the cabin feels even more refined now, with fewer hard plastics and better noise isolation. On pricing, the base Blue SE kicks off at $32,575, including destination. That's a steal for AWD hybrid goodness. Step up to SEL convenience at $35,625 for heated seats in the liftgate, or limited at $40,725 with leather and the panorama.